I love hot nuts. Pop, 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 pop. Good morning, bird brains. Welcome back to the episode out on the Sportster again today. You guys are probably thinking like, man, the Dyna's been down for a long time. When in fact, these videos are just being shot very close together. The Dyna's only been down a week from today. So, I mean, I don't think people will complain because a lot of people have been wanting the Sportster videos to come back. So what better time than to make them when I have no Dyna to make videos on? Heading over to the normal meetup spot to meet up with Uncle Ken, Roadblock, Tracy, which I don't think I ever mentioned this, but Tracy was the girl that you saw on the Twisted Sisters ride. Please see me, Mr. Toyota. That's Roadblock's wife. So in case you heard a random girl's voice on the scene and you're like, what the hell is that? Oh, there's a dog in this car. Hi, dog. Oh god, he's cute. But yeah, meeting up with those three. Donnie might be coming, I don't know. And then we're heading out to Medina Lake after that. Gonna get some drone shots out there. I've been wanting to head out there on a day where it's nice and gorgeous. And god damn, can I mention how gorgeous it is? It is 70 degrees exactly. Literally the perfect riding weather. Not a cloud in the sky. It feels good to be out. The only complaint I have, though, is with it being on the Sportster, I got one ride with those fancy new saddlebags and fell in love with them. And now the very next ride, I'm carrying a backpack again. God damn it! But I mean, I'm riding at the end of January, so I guess I can't be too mad. Sportster squeak, ready? Of course, when I mention it, it's not going to do it. There it is. Hi, dog! She's got a bandana on. That's adorable. You're texting. Hi, dog! Hi! Look how cute! Hi! Why do I love dogs so much? Hi! Hi, I see you! I see you! I'm glad she was paying attention because I definitely was not. God, this line has been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cars deep since about 10 o'clock this morning. You know there's other car washes, right? There's even some that you can do it yourself and do a much better job. You lazy fucks. I honestly don't see why anybody goes to those car washes besides, when you're on a motorcycle and a bikini. That shit's worth... That's funny. I don't care who you are. Uncle Ken's here. I need gas, though. Sportster props. Oh, God. Look at the line to this car wash. This is stupid. Oh, my God. Are we really doing this? Go to a different car wash, people. Good God. Oh, my God. This line's like 15 cars deep. Look at that. That is crazy. Hi, buddy. Oh, okay. Oh, no. Not on the Dyna. I can park right because I know how to ride this bike. The cop said so.
What up?
What's up?
What you been up to today?
I just got done meeting with the sponsor for the powder coating.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Local?
Yeah, really cool dude.
Alright. Yeah.
I call second.
Oh, I guess I'll switch my bike on, huh?
The stupid no mirror having self-diner.
Can you tell if you're recording or not?
I can.
Yeah, it's blinking.
I can actually see my screen.
Oh, nice.
That's one thing I like about the clear covers, because the red cover actually tints that LCD.
Cut it out.
No.
You got a Dremel, right? Come on.
Drum with that shit.
I want to make it as water resistant as possible. Whoa, you made the leaf blow. That's funny. Okay, guys, really?
Do it. I won't be
Waiting on
lying.
y'all.
I'm waiting on you.
I'm going to be in the back, so y'all go ahead.
Alright. Who's leading it?
You are.
I don't know where the we're going.
I'll give you directions.
16 to 37.
Yeah, 16 to 37.
Alright.
You know, generally you lead from the left.
I wasn't going to lead.
I'm just f***ing with you.
All these
Oh, these tires are going to get car wash. Gonna just go around them?
Dude.
I'm thinking about it. But
That guy just went over the curb.
Wow.
you have to go around them. He's turning in.
Just watch it, because you got people coming around that line with cars as well.
Did you hit my car?
Goddamn.
Get some.
I don't want to hear it.
Alright, is everyone here?
Yep.
Oh, I've been here.
Okay, coming out to the first lane. First lane.
Whoa! It's so crazy.
Middle lane. Middle lane.
Middle lane. Have a hit.
How'd that feel for you?
I was just waiting for a f***ing Sportster joke, because right before we came out, my headphones came unplugged. So I was sitting there trying to dick around, getting those back in. I looked up, y'all were like 100 yards ahead. I was like, oh shit, they're going to talk shit.
No, I figured you'd catch up eventually.
Oh, okay.
883, you know.
Yeah, I can't handle 5 pounds of video equipment, so.
Sure, yeah.
You know, you got 4 friends with bags here, so.
I also have a backpack, so.
I mean, we
you
can
know.
carry your stuff if we need to
Your
lighten the load.
backpack will fit in our saddlebag.
Yeah.
You really
got
think
lots
so?
of
Yeah, it probably would.
I don't
Well,
know.
it'll definitely fit mine. I put lots of stuff in there.
Are you saying you have lots of room in your trunk for some junk?
I have a lot of room in my trunk for a lot of junk.
Yeah.
That's Jonathan. That's gross. That's disgusting.
Oh, see, you opened the door.
The back door.
So, 2 Latinas driving a $50,000 car makes you wonder. Cartelled up, and they happen to be, attractive.
That's profiling.
Yes.
That is profiling.
Profiling works.
Profiling exists for a reason.
Hey, there's some synthetic saddlebags for Dyna. I should get those so it matches my seat better.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely didn't get that comment a million times.
I paid $20 goddamn for your Patreon. I think you should get them for saddlebags.
Oh my god.
I'm a bitchin' bird for a reason.
Yeah, I hate
So you can
lane.
bitch.
Donnie, grab a left. Thank you. On the left.
On the left.
And then over.
And I want to see what the driver of the car looks like.
Since when are G37s $50,000?
They're brand new. That's what they were.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn, that is so overpriced.
Uh-oh, they want to race.
Uh-oh.
To be fair, though, I think now they're like 37 for the base model.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. We had B-Daddies yesterday as part of our wedding tryout. It was the definition of mediocre. Like, nothing really was great, but nothing was terrible.
So are y'all looking for barbecue?
Yeah.
So the key to catering is find something that tastes mediocre, because that's probably going to be the best you're going to get. Like if you go to the restaurant and
way
eat,
different.
and yeah, you try their catering, the catering's usually shit, but
Yeah.
they're just trying to cook as much food as they can.
As fast as possible.
Yeah.
Wait, are we talking about your shitty life?
Oh
guess
my
so.
God. Oh, Harley.
I guess so, yeah.
A vlogger talking about his bike.
It's alright, I won't put a picture of a bike in the thumbnail, because that's confusing to people.
Okay,
Yeah.
did you like my clickbait comment?
Yeah.
Well, see, and I made the same argument, just a completely different way.
Yeah. Dude, what shocked the hell out of me was the saddlebag video with the super clickbaity "I'm sorry" title.
Yeah. Oh, it was awesome.
Dude, it got almost like no negative comments. Like as far as the clickbaiting, I'm like, really?
I think it's because everyone understood what you're going for.
I mean, I kind of wondered what the we're talking about.
I got more hate with the video where I was like, finally caught an accident, and I did catch an accident, and it just wasn't as good of an accident as people wanted, and they just said it was all clickbait because it was only 10 seconds of the video. I'm like, well, when you see an accident video and the video is 13 minutes long, you think it took 13 minutes for that accident to happen? Obviously not. But yeah, I was just like, yeah, it's gonna get a ton of hate, and it didn't get hardly any. Kind of disappointed.
Hey, did you like how I told the guy, just keep commenting, send it to your shitty friends.
Oh yeah, that was funny. Like, You commenting does nothing but help him, so keep doing this. Keep sharing the shitty video.
I like how he called you out with a you, but then did the F with the 5 stars.
Yeah, on that reply.
The rest of them. I'm like, wait, dude, grow a pair of balls and use the F-bomb. It's okay.
Well, he was using the voice to text.
Apparently it does that.
It does it on my phone.
I don't use it enough to know.
I even tried to tell my phone that I'm an adult. And I'm allowed to talk like that. Maybe I need to have my mom like put her thumbprint on my phone.
A guardian signature.
Yeah.
Relative.
But I love that you added the, you remember to eat your veggies. It's great. The comment mafia is in town.
Am I doing this right, Justin? How to do it?
Yeah, you nailed it, dude.
Nailed it.
That might even be my clickbait thumbnail right there. Biker almost falls off. Bagger almost falls off doing Instagram tricks.
This place right here, Picosto's Peanut Company. Awesome stuff there. And also, during the summer, on Friday night, Saturday night, they have food trucks come out.
Well, I found an idea for a future video. I've wanted to stop there for the peanuts for a while because it's hard to find like a good like spicy peanut, like a Cajun style. Oh man.
Oh, they got hot nuts there.
I love hot nuts.
Hot nuts.
Well, found my sound bite for the beginning of the video. I love hot nuts.
Hot nuts.
I feel like I'm running a pit bike right now, guys.
What's that?
So I feel like I'm running a pit bike. Like it's so small. Dude, it's so funny because like I'm looking at us right now and we're like in a pretty tight formation, but when you were leading that group of misfits on Saturday, like the drone shots were so hard to get just because people were so like stretched out in random spacings.
You bring the drone today?
Hell yeah, I brought the drone. I also went out last night to try to fix the distance issues that I was having, and I couldn't recreate the problem. So maybe it's fixed, maybe it's not. We'll have to see, I guess.
Yeah, I thought about talking to you about me getting my drone license, and I was like, that is expensive.
Yeah, it's like $150.
Alright, so here's the gas station.
Yeah,
we're going to go about another mile.
Yeah, you'll see the
About,
sign.
yeah.
You'll see the sign that says Canyon Lake.
Medina Lake.
Yeah, that lake, whatever. Lake, whatever the
It is. God damn it.
they might say large body of water.
Lake Titicaca.
I don't know, guys. I've only got like half a tank. Does that work?
I don't know, man.
Well, if you start at half a tank and I'm at a full tank, then we should run out about the same time. So
So we won't be alone.
yeah, we'll run out together. Where that
37.
maroon car just turned, that's where we're going.
Park Road 37.
Yeah, this is the road we took when we were breaking your bike in.
Yeah, I'm coming back to me now.
Do you remember? Wait, do you remember?
Just as a reminder, there's that one right hand immediately to the left.
Right into the left.
That right-hander that turns immediately into a left-hander.
Yeah.
After this black SUV.
Whoa, dude, come on, it's 2018. African American SUV.
It's not from Africa, it's probably made from Canada. This takes us straight to the lake, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, single file.
Yeet.
Justin, did you want to pass me?
No. I am definitely not comfortable enough on this bike to be doing anything crazy.
Those chicken strips are pretty new too, so. Hey, Roadblock, do you scrape your highway peg?
No, I scraped my boot about 2 inches below the highway peg.
Back here, I can't tell if your feet are like on top of your pegs or on, like pushing on them.
There's like a little gap in the sole
Yeah.
where they kind of
Heel.
hooks in. Yeah.
Oh, you see that car nearly kill me? Oh man.
R.I.P. almost died.
Calm down there, Jack.
There we go.
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Hey!
Yeah, there we are.
Yeah, that was weird, man.
What'd
Yeah.
you do?
I all you guys were like cracking up, getting real staticky, and I was like, what the?
No, no, no.
It was the same way.
That was you. We were all clear. You were the one f***ing it all up.
Tracy is the middle link between y'all and me.
Oh.
And she wasn't in the group, so it was bouncing over to y'all.
So we're blaming the woman. Okay.
You better not.
Too late. Already did.
She was too busy making sandwiches to update her Cena, so.
Oh shit!
I'm kidding! God.
It's just as up to date as mine.
Oh, did you do it for her?
Doing both at the same time.
I know the elderly have trouble with that technology, so.
Wow.
I love you, Tracy! I can feel the tension just like building, cause like...
Hey babe, do you want my gun?
I don't need it.
No!
It's all good. It's all good.
If she wanted to kill him, she would just divorce you and marry him.
Nah, I would just slam on the brake.
That would hurt me.
Hard to say, I'm not behind you.
But you know,
Remember, my bike doesn't weigh 900 pounds. I can get out of the way.
you gotta remember.
Can you though?
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's already on the left track, so he's ready to go.
I have to say.
Then there's my 900-pound bike plus my 380-pound ass on top of it. And don't forget all the camera gear I got now.
All the camera gear. Yeah.
Got a half ton in between me and you. I'm good.
I do gotta say it was very quiet and nice for a while.
Yeah.
Listening to my music, that was nice.
You can leave.
Hey babe, just hit the round button, you'll bounce out.
I have to say, yeah. Kid, you can leave.
Oh my God, fire!
Oh man, that's funny.
Oh, you guys.
All right, what do you want to say?
Where are we going?
Medina Lake.
I've never been to Medina Lake.
Well, it's not much to look at, so don't get your hopes up.
That's water, usually.
Barely. It's so low right now.
No, what you're saying is we need to take a piss in there to help bring the levels back
Break,
up.
break, break, break,
I
break.
mean, I don't know about that.
Stop sign.
DVD sale.
Man, we're going to be stuck behind
Are
me.
we in the f***ing desert again? Is he a Haji?
Oh wait, there's chicks.
Isn't that the same Infinity you've been talking about the whole time?
Yeah.
What do y'all think about going to this restaurant on the way back?
I'm down.
I'm hungry.
I've been wanting to stop there.
Cool. There's our dinner plans.
Oh, too high of a gear for that journey.
Get out of motorcycle for a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was in second, so I barely made it up.
Yeah, I was in fifth.
I wish I was joking.
That's not a good one.
No.
Oh God, I'm gonna throw Donnie in Lake Medina. Bike life.
Bike life!
Come on, you don't like that 6x4? 6x4? Oh, poor lady. She thought this was a turn.
Did she turn her blinker on?
Yeah.
Wow. If you rely that heavily on a GPS, I'm scared.
She's one of those people that drives to a lake.
Yeah. That's why there's so many cars that get hit downtown by trains. It's because there's a gap in between the two railroad tracks. And any GPS tells you to turn left, people turn it down that thing, it's a road. Then they get stuck and then they get nailed by a train.
Yeah, it's pretty ridiculous. And then people stopping at stoplights stop like a car length after the line.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, you're not supposed to do that? and people honk at me when I stop before the line. Hey, look at that house. Nice house.
Fire.
Hey, look at that burn pile. That house caught on fire.
Are we really, are we really stooping to that level of motovlogging right now?
Yeah. I'm not motovlogging.
Video recording while riding.
This is a dash cam, a helmet cam.
Hey, the curve blocks the view. No. I think I commented on that the last time we came out here.
Yeah. I asked why is there one on that turn and not every other turn? I'm curious why like that one turn has the whole curve blocks view
Yeah, there's
sign.
multiple of those here.
But like every single curve on this road blocks the view.
Decreasing radius up here.
Yeah, it's a bitch too, so
Yeah, it's a real deep turn.
don't take it lightly.
All these straight, flat, boring roads, huh, baby? Oh, what was that?
Well, in the city, yeah.
Here's that decreasing radius left up here.
Oh, yeah. So I guess I should have slowed down a little
Whoa,
quicker.
shit.
All right.
Swing that a little wide, Justin.
Just a tad. I didn't go over the line, I went over one of the lines though. Just because I wasn't comfortable leaning in with that dirty of a road. I was like,
Buns up. Alright, slow it down, slow it
Real
down.
turn. Real turn. head in front of mirror.
Almost all the way through the turn.
I felt like that was a pretty good line I took. What do you think, Justin?
I was way too focused on my own to be looking at you. I was looking in your direction, but I was not looking at you.
Slippery up here, guys. It's slippery. Like the entire lane is a little slippery. I had a clincher going on.
Oh. Hey, here we are.
Don't threaten me with a good time. All right, who's going to talk their sweet magic to the gate guard?
No gate guard.
No gate guard. Yeah. Hey-o.
No cop, no stop. Oh, speed bump.
So where are we doing pictures at?
Ow.
Over here?
Shit.
We can go over there.
Yeah, that looks good. If I'm looking in the same spot you are.
Our normal spot.
Remember how to park your bike this time, Johnny.
Yep. Yeah. Did you seriously just make a circle?
And then go right back into the same position.
Yeah. I did that. That's it.
He had to take like 7 stabs at it last time.
7 is kind of excessive.
Nah, it was 7.
Oh, damn, that's a big rock right there. I'm trying to avoid that one.
Gravel.
Gravel.
If he just pulled forward and stopped, we wouldn't have had to back up.
Yeah, well, that's a road.
Stuck in the hole. There we go.
Y'all good?
I think we're good.
All right.
Are you good?
I'm just making sure y'all are in the right spot.
I don't know if you're good. One over the rock!
Shut up, Donnie. You see my ass in skip over that rock, though? Oh, by the way, guys, I can ride this bike. Check it out.
Oh, wow!
Wow. You been practicing?
The cop said so. Oh, hi, guys. It's just some people over there. Howdy ho.
They look like stupid bikers.
All right, to the drone shots.
No?
Never mind. I'm going to keep that in there for sure. All right, now to the drone shots. One time I was in high school, and my history teacher was this short little chubby guy, probably like 5'5", probably like 180 pounds. He's at the back of the class, and he goes, we just hear him go, "Guys, don't look." And we look back, and he's trying to take his like windbreaker off, and he literally just pulled his shirt up over his nipples, and all he saw was his big hairy body in the back of the classroom, struggling to get his damn windbreaker off. Oh, good times. On that note, let's go eat.
Hey, there goes. I hear people.
What's up, Donnie?
I was like, how long is it going to be for someone to say something?
Yeah, that was weird.
I don't know how to do this gravel thing.
I know, this gravel sucks.
Yeah.
Pussies.
Watch the glass over here.
Speed up. Oh, it's in the wrong gear.
Oh, shit, damn.
What's wrong, babe?
She almost eat shit.
That was a little curvier than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, that's the big one.
Hey, thanks for the heads up, guys.
Well, seeing as we already made it once.
Yeah, this isn't new territory.
I don't remember where it was.
Oh my God, you sound like my mother.
Yeah, how would we expect you to remember something you were on a whole 15 minutes ago?
I don't know how we got here.
Bad drivers, not.
Okay, we're turning here.
Yeah.
Oh, this is our stop.
Sorry, I didn't realize it was this close.
Adolf.
Yeah, watch this car.
Look at these bikers on a park.
No, they don't know. Oh, this isn't a driveway to anything, so I'm just gonna kind of back up into here.
Jack Cannon on the back left. I'm staying out of this shit.
Are you scared?
I enjoy
Content.
I enjoy having a comfortable sleeping arrangement. I don't want to have to sleep with one eye open.
So you're saying that your wife can't have a civil conversation with you without resorting to violence?
What I hear is
she can.
I hear that silence is agreement, because if he was agreeing with her, he wouldn't have a problem voicing it, because then she wouldn't be mad at him, you know? All right, we're gonna go eat. What? What?
From Tiny Toon Adventures.
Are these cartoons in black and white, or? Just get yourself a 16,000 milliamp, and then you can just run that shit to the back, and then you can get 84 gigs out of one camera on one battery.
Got that perpetual charging shit.
God damn it.
Maybe this will be fun getting out. Sorry. Getting out my...
Hey, doggy. Hi, puppy.
Oh, he's got a bandana on.
You want me to go?
Yeah, lead.
I don't know where the f I'm going.
Straight. Hit that stop sign and go straight.
Straight? Oh, you mean turn left.
Oh, they're not gonna slow down at all.
Did they not?
Not at all, dude. They didn't touch the brakes.
Are we all here?
No.
And I'm gonna wait.
Yeah.
You coming?
Yeah, just come up on around them.
Hold on.
Come on, lane split.
I'm doing it.
Are we clear left?
Yeah.
Are we clear right?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
I'll lead.
All right. All right, guys. Just got done eating there at Adolph's. Yes, that restaurant was called Adolf. The owner's name was actually Adolf. So we were there for what? Almost 2 hours.
Yeah, we were there for a while.
Yeah, but I mean, you can't expect 5-star service from those little hole-in-the-wall places out in the middle of nowhere. So.
But you can expect 3.5 stars according to Yelp.
Oh yeah, that sounds about right. Donnie took off to go home because his home is in the opposite direction. We're now heading back on Park Road 37, back on down to San Antonio.
Oh, man, one of these days, we need to take Tracy up here. That's where you go up there.
The Tower View?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude,
that's where we went for New Year's Eve. At midnight, it was the coolest freaking experience, man. You could literally see every firework between here and downtown.
Bagger for sale.
Yeah, I see that.
That's the one I pointed out earlier. For those of you that need a grown-up bike.
Okay.
Nice.
It's being rude. How much was your bike, Tracy?
I don't know, baby. How much was my bike?
Yeah, that's what I thought. Now shut the f*** up.
I don't give a shit.
I'm not pretty enough for a sugar daddy.
I mean, he was in the Navy, so a little dude on dude action.
Hey. It's 2018, man.
I won't leave you there hanging, Justin, but I would too. So.
Thank you.
I
gotta cut that out of the video, because that's. Can you imagine the shitstorm that would cause?
Brett, I'm just gonna say I did not for a motorcycle.
Oh, I'm sure you did a lot more than that.
Are you sure you want to go that far? I mean,
you're talking about how much junk you could fit in your trunk, so.
Do you have any rearview mirrors on your bike?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, one right here.
I was just wondering. I'm like, I don't see any.
I got one.
That's required by state law.
The other one broke off. Because
my dad always said, whatever's behind you will stay behind you. What do you need a rearview mirror for?
Well, I wouldn't necessarily agree with that. As long as I can see the one person behind me, that's all I care. That's all I care about.
You know, I've never smelled a Sportster running like pristine. It's always running rich.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Well, mine's because I'm too cheap to buy a tune, so
Oh.
it's got a. I don't think it was ever tuned after the exhaust, but that was on it before I bought it, and then I put this high intake air filter, and also did not tune it. So.
Yeah, but I mean, every Sportster I've ever been around has always smelled rich.
I would say you're probably looking at inexperienced riders that don't realize they need a tune.
Cheap
So
bike,
you're
man.
more likely to not
Run that
have it
red light,
tuned.
buddy.
Yeah, he's Air Force. That explains it.
He's dumb Air Force.
Dumb Air Force.
Damn dumb Emperors. I see the wings from here.
Bill Miller's caters, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
That's
Oh,
so
saying.
gross. I hate
They
Bill
do.
Millers.
They don't do it. The food tastes good. They just
No,
they're
they don't.
sucky caterers.
No, it doesn't taste good.
They don't clean up after themselves really. They don't buzz tables or clean up at the end of the night.
God damn it, really.
Triggered. Unsubs.
It's not fair. I can't hardly bump anybody anymore because everyone has got the freaking full ass fenders in the back. So like the only time I get to bump people is when Brad's riding with us, really. Sucks.
If you want, I could bump you. Just get in front of me.
Well, he just bumped me. That's what it reminded me.
Oh.
Gotta boop them for dominance.
For dominance. God damn it. Ken, you need a license plate cover like this one in front of us.
The glittery one?
Yeah, pink glitter.
I'm just gonna cover my.
Can we do green glitter?
Yeah, we can do green glitter. Green bedazzles.
God damn it.
What are y'all doing back there?
Playing kill switch.
Don't make me turn this bike around.
Bike life.
You see that chick looking in her rearview mirror like all pissed off? Easy.
About to do a wheelie, babe.
Yeah, okay.
Baggers can do things like that too.
I don't think they can do that stock.
At least no while I'm behind you, okay?
I wonder if I changed up to that different throttle position, if I could get it better.
Maybe.
I'm pretty sure I'll be able to lift it up when I get the cam.
Oh, probably, definitely. Most likely.
Probably, definitely, most likely.
Am I getting out here, or do you
We
just wanna
can
break
just
apart?
split from
Crazy.
here. Yeah, there's no sense in stopping again. Yeah.
Bye.
This is gonna be kind of cool. We're all going different directions. Man,
That was fun, guys.
if only I had a drone shot of this. When
Alright,
I see you again.
Alright.
Alright guys, well that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. I've gotten a lot of comments lately about the longer, smaller group rides with a lot of the back and forth banter. So that was kind of my goal for today, and I think we did a pretty damn good job of that. So if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and punch that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.